Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about my favorite running brand, Satisfy Running. We're going to be talking a little bit about the history, go into the pieces, are they worth it? What's my opinion? Let's get right into it. So Satisfy Running was founded in 2015 by Bryce Partouche. He was influenced by punk rock, by skate culture, by his experience in fashion. And Satisfy Running really mirrors those interests into its aesthetics. Now, Satisfy Running has really gotten popular, I'd say, over the past couple years. I believe the reason for that was we saw that huge running boom during COVID, and everyone was getting into the sport. People would flock to regular brands like Nike, Adidas, just trying to figure out what sort of clothing worked from a performance lens. Now, fast forward a couple more years, and these same runners are now thinking the looks of the product are just as important as the performance. How can I look differently when I run, or how can I express myself while I run? And almost like taking the backwards approach, where performance takes a secondary look towards fashion. That's why Satisfy has really started taking off over the last couple of years. Now, Satisfy I see as having two distinct lanes. There's the aesthetic that everybody has well known, the holy t-shirts, the jorts, which I'll talk about today, but they really do have a lot of cool, innovative pieces as well. They have some really great fabrics and some very interesting cuts that I think often get overlooked with some of these more Instagrammable pieces. If there's one thing in common between both these lanes, it's that they're both very, very expensive. Satisfy is unapologetic about that. They know their clothes are expensive. They're targeting a different demographic than your Nike, your Adidas, and I think it works for them, and honestly, I think that's one of the reasons why they become more successful. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's talk about the Moth Tech T-shirts, the most iconic Satisfy piece. Now, what is it? It is a 100% cotton T-shirt with different graphics, different washes, and these holes that Satisfy likes to call Moth Tech. What are they? Well, they are just holes in a cotton t-shirt. They say they've done some temperature, body regulation mapping and found out where to strategically place these holes. But when I look at them just as a regular person, I think that they are just random holes. I don't think there's really anything scientific about them. They are a very high quality cotton t-shirt, and I really do like the fit of these. A little wider in the body, not super restrictive compared to other tees, high neckline. You have certain Satisfy staples like the external care tag, which I've ripped off of my pieces. These guys also have a key ring pocket on the inside as well. And I really do like the wash on these t-shirts. They're a nice weight. They look very nice on body. A lot of people wonder, are these performance t-shirts? My take is they are not. They are cotton t-shirts. That being said, it has opened the eyes to a lot of people about running in cotton t-shirts. Totally fine. People were doing it back before all this more technical polyester fabrics came out, and people will do it long after. On the most part, a polyester, regular performance dry fit tee is going to perform better than this, but you totally can run in it. There's no issue with it, just like you can run in a old vintage t-shirt. You can run in your t-shirt that you get from your local 5K. One nice thing about cotton is it's a little bit more antimicrobial. It won't get that signature stink after you wore your performance fabrics for a long time. I've gotten this one a few years ago, I think back in around 2021, 2020-ish. And I've also gotten this next piece. Same thing, Moth Tech Tee, but in a cutoff. I would say with the newer cutoff that I've gotten probably a couple years ago, the fabric does seem lighter. I'm not sure if that's just because it's from a different season or if it's because it's a cutoff, but compared to my other Moth Tech Tee, it does seem thinner. And also comparing to other Moth Tech Tees I've seen recently, just felt in store, etc., the newer stuff does seem a bit thinner. Again, I'm talking a little bit more from a regular casual use than a performance use, but I do think the thicker tees are just a little bit higher quality. But that being said, very nice piece. I did run a race in these. I do have a little vlog or a TikTok if you want to watch that, but yeah, they perform well, nothing too special, and I think they fill that niche of a piece that kind of looks cool at the same time. So the Satisfy Moth Tech Tees. Here we have the Satisfy Peaceshell shorts, 5-inch and of course in this denim all over print. I'm a big denim head, and when I saw Satisfy release these, I thought they were very, very cool. What are they? They are an all over denim print, and apparently it's modeled after an old pair of Levi's 505s or cut off 501s that the owner or someone on the Satisfy team had. So it has that vintage sort of treatment on the print. I just think these are really cool. The idea of just you're going for your run with these jean shorts, very hyper realistic jean shorts also, with a very cool wash, I might add, and you're just flying by some people on the park run. I think that's just kind of, I don't know, funny, quirky, but it's cool. Shorts themselves, they are Satisfy's Peaceshell Unlined short. They're probably the lightest pair of shorts I've ever seen or felt. The thinness of the fabric, it's about the thickness of a sheet of paper. Super, super thin. They're unlined as well, so all we have inside is the pocket bags, because you do have two side pockets and one pocket at the back. No other lining or no other material, just this super thin Peaceshell fabric. It's good quality though. It's milled somewhere in Japan or Korea. Not too many durability concerns. I've had these since they've released, so probably a year and a half. Maybe a couple small nicks, but you can't even notice it on these things. Again, I got these mostly for the aesthetics, but they do perform pretty well as a pair of shorts. I don't find the pockets in the back to be super accommodating. Can't really fit your phone, and they don't really have the liner pockets, which I do like on half tights or some other short models. But I find I wear these traveling a bit too, because the material itself has this very smooth finish. Very easy to sort of just to chuck in the wash. I've had no issues with the pattern fading as well. You can also go and rip a run in them if you really wanted to as well. The Satisfy Peaceshell shorts in the digital denim color. That's my review of my Moth Tech Tees, the Peaceshell shorts, and my very small Satisfy collection. As I said earlier, I am a big fan of the brand. When you have a brand that enters a space that is very unique and is very genuine in that uniqueness, I think it's very cool. You've seen now many different other brands offshoot that has this very similar aesthetic. I commend Satisfy for being the pioneer in that respect. Aesthetics, I think they're great for casual use too. Totally fine, don't gatekeep. You can wear this stuff just walking around, doing your daily errands. It doesn't matter, it looks cool. That's what clothes is at the end of the day. We wear it because it looks good. And if you wanna wear it running, you can wear it running too. Very expensive. I wouldn't buy a lot of this stuff full price. Sometimes you can find it on sale. I don't find Satisfy as a brand goes on sale for like 50, 60% like some of these other brands too often, but you can find them for a deal sometimes. That's my video on my Satisfy collection. Hope you liked it. Any questions, leave it down below, and I look forward to talking to you more about running and other gear. See you later. Bye-bye.